Hello, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable Smart Touch. Firstly go to Settings. Now enter Accessibility, Smart Touch and switch this button to enable this function. Now to manage Smart Touch, select between tap, double tap, hold, swipe up, swipe down and slide left or right and select function for this gesture. For example, tap, double tap, swipe up, swipe down. To disable this function, switch this button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.